EPC01 Quick Start. EPC01 comes with a display, a rotary push button, and an exhaust vent. At the bottom you will find different connections: the pincer pneumatic connection P-out, the electrical pincer connection X1, the analog signal output X12, and the RS232 connection X3. We have as well the PLC connection, X20dB 25-pin, USB Type-B connection, and the Ethernet TCP connection. On the right side on the nameplate, you will find important information like material number, serial number, and equipment number. At the top you will have the input pressure pneumatic connection and a power supply connection, which can be set to 100 to 240 volts AC or 24 volts DC. If you order your control unit with industrial communications, you can find it at the top. At the front you can see a warranty seal, which should not be damaged or removed without authorization. EPC01 connections. The air filter needs to be connected to your compressed air system. After that you connect to the EPC01 compressed air inlet. Further on the top you have the power supply, and if equipped, the industrial network port. At the bottom you'll need to connect the air outlet to the pincer, as well as the electrical connection to the pincer. There are also additional ports that can be used to connect to a PC or other external devices. This is how it looks connected and fixed on the wall.